Hi, my dear friends. I hope you all are doing fine. And as you already know that we are giving the 20 tester services. If anybody requires the 20 tester services, this is our Reset Infotech website is there. So here you can find the 20 tester tab, and here is all the details you can find, and here is our prices. So one of the users says me, sir, can you please tell me the how to make a policy for the apps? So which has been updated by the Google. So in the last video which I make for the private policy, in that the voice is not clear. So I hope in this video it will be everything will be the fine. So we will going to show you how to make a private policy. As last time also I given, just go in the app dash privacy dash policy.com. This is our website. This is we're going to use for making the private policy, and it is no need of copying in the any word file, and then you have to do publish and all those things. So it will be completely fine. Okay, so here is the options are there. Here is a app private policy generated, app terms and condition, add disclaimer, and ELUE generator. So here we need to go the add private policy generated. Just click on here, and it's asking generate the app policy where your policy can be used. Click either whether it's a website or it's an app. You can able to use both, or you can use anyone. So right now we need only for the application, so we will click on the app and continue the generate policy. So wait, and it will be open in the other tab. So what is our game name that we will write, like what we write, car game, sorry, car game. So as 2024 I had written as a for the dummy purpose, so you can use whatever your game name is there. And it's asking for the business or individual. So if it is your it's mostly comes into individual, as you are a private account, personal account, so it comes under into a individual. For business company, it is the like a e-commerce website or anything, you can able to use that. But for the free users, use for the individual only. And it's asking for the country, so I will select like in India. And it's asking like in a state, so I keep like in Andhra Pradesh as a default. So it's depend upon your say which are the state is yours, you can able to use that. And click on the next step. And what kind of information you have been collecting. See, there is a sections are there in this. Just take an example. If your app has a game, it is a game. So for the game, you no need to you are not going to take any email ID or password or phone number or GY code. But if you are collecting like an e-commerce website, there you will collect the email ID, mobile number, phone number, and address and everything. So but as it is a game, so we have been publishing the game, so we does not require anything. So just leave it off. And if it's asking additional information collecting from the mobile and devices like a location, phone book, camera. If your app is like in a game, you no need to click on anything. If your app has a e-commerce website, in that some application use a geometrical GPS system like Google Map, so then you have to get. And some app has a, like in a WhatsApp, it's going to connect with the phone book also. And if it your camera editors app, then you have to use the camera. So these options according to your app, you have to define that. If it is not, just click on the next step. It's asking for the required clicker, so I will just click on other. So anything here. So it's asking how user can able to contact you for regarding your private policy. You can click by the mail or the anything here is there, visiting your website or phone number, or sending by the post. So I will click like in a xyz@gmail.com, just like in a dummy mail I'm writing. It's up to you what is your official mail ID you want to write, you can write it here. But it's the most important thing, you have to write your email ID or by phone number. So just click it like in okay, then click on next step. So it is that, see, mostly policy Google will be take not a Indian policy, it's take only European policy. As you can see, EN generated data protection regulation are there. So this is the most important thing. In the upcoming details, I'll going to make the detailed videos on this also, what is the UN policy and all those things, so it won't be a problem to you. So after that, it's asking I want to upgrade the professional private policy. For this you have to pay. But if you are taking I don't want a professional policy, it's no need to pay. but you want a more professional policy, then you have to pay. But I recommend you, please click as I don't want a professional policy, so it is a completely free. Just click on a next step. So it will going to generate, or you need to give your mail id. So I will just click your mail id is required. So xyz@gmail.com. Usually it will going to send to your mail, but here I will just click on a generate. So here you can see there is a policy has been completed. So just I will copy here and I will paste it here. So as you can see, this is your policy according to the game. And what are the email id? See, you can see here is the email id we have created, and here is a what is a policy from the which game it's been defined. So this kind of a way you can able to make the policy, and it is completely free. You can able to use. If you want to paste in the WordPress, you can just copy here and you can able to post, or you can use this link also, or you can copy paste these things also. I hope you like my video. If you really like my video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.